Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing essential credentials so the app registers you quickly. First, make sure your Canadian mobile number and email are active. The app will send OTPs. Once done, download the Icici Bank Canada app from your device store and grant camera and SMS access so document capture and OTP autofill work. Next, open the app, choose New User or Sign In. Then enter your account number and debit card details when prompted. This verifies identity and links your profile. Once verified, you'll set up security. This is critical. Enter the OTP and create a 6 to 8-digit MPIN or a strong password. This protects transactions. Then, enable biometrics for quicker access, but keep the MPIN as a backup. Next, populate your profile, add phone, address, and link other Icici accounts. After that, add beneficiaries by entering their account details and IFSC. Then set per transaction limits and daily caps so you control how much moves from your account. To complete payments, open transfers, pick IMPS, NEFT, or RTGS based on urgency and fees, enter beneficiary, amount, and purpose, then confirm with your MPIN or OTP. After sending, review notifications and transaction history to ensure success and note the TXN ID. If something goes wrong, first confirm you have stable network, then recheck MPIN, OTP validity, and beneficiary details. If still unresolved, contact app support with the TXN ID and timestamp so they can trace and resolve the issue promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.